Today I will show you how to make unusual floral blouse made in Irish lace technique. We are working on the back side of the project. We divide our work on some parts. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. Then pin ready floral project. Then make some elements in the same technique, and all 3 places will be filled up with chaotic mesh. Then I show you how to join front and back sides together. To complete the work, make a trim. For work you need ready project that you can find in tutorial 84, cotton yarns, crochet hooks, scissors, pins, and beads. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. We begin the work from the front side of the blouse. I have already pinned my pattern on the mat. We continue the work. For this blouse, I will use ready floral composition from tutorial 84. We are working on the back side of the project. I pin my ready project. Then you should make cords in the same technique, and all 3 places will be filled up with chaotic mesh. I have done all elements. Now I'm going to work with chaotic mesh. This is the back side of the blouse or tunic. I'm working in the same technique as I did in the front side. I remind you we are working on the back side of the project. Then I show you how to join front and back sides together. This is the shoulder part of the blouse. Now I show you how to join 2 sides together. I pin my parts, insert the hook into the corner, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the chain space, and make single crochet, chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, chain 1, remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, chain 1, 2, remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the chain space. So continue working in this way till the end of the line. I have done the shoulder line. Then you should make the joining in the same way as I showed you in this part. Next stage, I'm going to work with trim. Here how the trim looks like. In this case I did trim for the neckline. I did 2 rows of single crochet stitches. The number of single crochet stitches you determine by pattern. And while making the second row of the single crochet stitches, I joined a bead. I did 3 single crochet and joined a bead. So continue working in this way. Then you should make such trim for all parts of the blouse tunic. This is the bottom part. In this case I did 2 rows of single crochet stitches as well. A number of beads and destination between beads you determine by yourself. Today we have learned how to make beautiful blouse. We invite you to visit our store, Rachel Boutique. Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish handmade clothing studio by Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing the ready clothes offered, you are more than welcome to order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you with love. Thanks for watching.